Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Charlotte. Today we got a Gucci brand shoes. As you guys can see, the box is in pink colorway and you can see the logo. The logo here, Gucci in black colorway, and you can see a big eyes. Okay, there are around the eyes, there are so many stars. Okay, it is very cute and beautiful, right? Let's remove the box. It is all pink colorway, right? Okay, as you guys can see, this is shoes logo. You can see it is in white colorway, and there are so many crystals, right? And there are 38 size 38. Okay, let's open the box. Okay, you can see there are so many trees, right? You can see it is very beautiful inside the box. Okay, do you like it? And we took the shoes out. This is in white colorway, Gucci logo. I like it very much, and this is also shoes. And you can see inside the box there are a paper, and you can see the box is okay, very fashionable, beautiful. I like it, and you? So let's see the shoes. And you can see the shoes. Let's see the toe first. You can see the toe here is in mesh material and leather, white smooth leather, and the stitching is very beautiful. And you can see here is Gucci logo here. Okay, you can see it, and you can see here is gray colorway. Okay, it is a gold button hardware. Okay, and there are so many beautiful crystals here. Okay, and here is also a button. There are mesh material. It is breathable. Okay, we see that this side is very beautiful, right? And let's see the toe here, also mesh leather crystal, and you can see here is Gucci logo in orange, and this is white leather. Let's see the inside part. The stitching is very beautiful, right? The shoe totally is also beautiful. Okay, let's see the button. This is a gum button. The shoes is a little heavy, and you can see this is a Gucci logo here, and size 38. Sorry. You see, it is cool. And let's see the back. The back here is also very beautiful, right? You can see here is high heel parts, and the white colorway. It is pure white, and you can see here is black tag. And this is black tag and the pink logo, right? Mesh. Okay, let's see the shoes inside. You can see inside part here, mesh is in khaki colorway or chocolate colorway, right? And the laces is in white colorway. Let's take out the shoe, the insole. You can see the insole is totally in khaki colorway, and this is Gucci logo here, made in Italy. Okay, and let's see the back. It is Gucci colorway. It is gray. So cool, right? Okay, let's see the inside. Here is Gucci logo printed. Okay, you can see the Gucci logo printed inside. Very beautiful, right? Let's check another shoe. Very beautiful, right? Okay. Okay, if you are like my video, please hit that subscribe and give me thumbs up. If you are want to learn more about shoes, please contact me. The message below, and please don't forget to leave comments below. Okay, see you guys. Bye.